This is how you get into the watch here. You just take off the back here. This just unclips like that. Okay, so then you've got the battery here. And you get your fingernail underneath that. Take the battery out, so that's what the battery looks like. Okay, so inside here we've got this the SIM card, so you flip this latch up and that door opens up and you can remove the SIM. There's also the slot for the MicroSD card, so that just shoves in there. It's kind of difficult to get it in there, so you take it out and you can put it in there. Okay, then we just need to put the battery back. And snap the cover back on. So there's a little hole for the speaker. There, okay, so it's back together. And power it back up.